been watching Instagram lately. I've been going through a lot of things on there, but I've noticed loads and loads of people seem to be drawing pictures of shop fronts, of little castles, buildings, houses, that sort of stuff. And they end up colouring them in with Promarkers, which is rather convenient because here's some Promarkers. Here's an amateur artist. Let's give it a go. Have a watch. So there's the finished piece. that is, as I say, with just Promarkers. I will put a list in the description of the colours that I used to do this one. This was just copied off of a stock photo from Google, so it's one of the search jobs. If you liked it, then let me know. I will be doing more of these because I actually find them quite therapeutic. It's quite enjoyable, and it's another way to experiment using my Promarkers. But until the next time, stay safe, stay clean, stay happy, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.